Okay, so this is the new scam that seems to be popular mostly on Tinder. I am dubbing it the WhatsApp scam or simply the contact information scam. So it's been happening a lot lately, and I don't know why. You can put in the comments if you have theories on why this is happening. Purported women, in other words, some guy in Pakistan or wherever that are catfishing people, are basically just going through a generic conversation like this to, as quickly as possible, get to asking for a phone number. And I don't know why, but I think it's simply to get a list of people attached to phone numbers. Maybe they're getting, say, 6 cents for every name and phone number that they get so that you can be added to a list. I'm going to tell you how I was able to figure this out. Right off the rip, being matched with a 21-year-old that seemed fairly attractive, but more importantly, that her location was not listed, and that the profile was very thin, and that the photos looked like that they had been downloaded many times, and that there was only 2 of them. So these look like they had been downloaded and re-uploaded. Now, I reversed Google image search these photos, and they weren't tied to anything, but I still didn't trust their validity. They kind of looked like they had been stolen off of some other social media website. So this is clearly not Bat2 or whatever her name really is. This is somebody portraying her. And in tandem with the conversation, that became evident because the substance, you can read this here as I'm scrolling down, that this was just an insipid conversation, and I was playing along the whole time, giving her the chance to add some substance to it, and then it never happened. And sure enough, after only, about 8 messages from her, let's exchange contact info, and then you can see I told her to go fuck herself. And then, of course, I will report this. But yeah, if you've experienced similar, put it in the comments. And if you have any theories on why this happens, but again, I believe it's simply to collect contact information.